Let's talk about the hatch command. For in a lot of cases, when you need to have some type of texture on a figure, it is important to use this command. The only condition that you need to have met is that the shape or the region has to be enclosed, has to be a closed region. When you have that, you type hatch, you select your figure, your region, and then it will have a texture. And then you have different types of textures that you can choose. Okay. If you want to have a color, then you type on your color match. If you want to have different types of gradients, it's also possible. Okay. And for more options, you can always go to the properties here. So it's going to be based on the layer color at this point. So our color for the layer is white. You can tell by the line. And then it's going to be filled with white color. So the only condition is that you have to have a closed region. So for instance, if we do a spline curve, as long as you're able to close this spline curve, you should be able to have the color that you need. All right, that's the second thing, called how to close the region. Let's say we have polylines. In this case, it is closed, but each line is an object. So if you try to select them all and say hatch, you're gonna have an issue because, well, actually, no, you don't have an issue. That's not a good example. Let's try and do lines from different objects. So that line, let me make up an arc. I'm trying to make up a region where it's not so intuitive. Okay, like that. And then line again. Okay. Hatch. Okay, so there you go. In this case, he doesn't know what's going on. What we need to do is apply the join command. And now every single part is enclosed. So in this case, you can go ahead and apply the same concept as before, now that you have everything as a single body. So when you have different objects, arcs, circles, lines, then you apply the join command, and in that case, you're able to apply the hatch command.